Hi everyone, well, today in the video I'll try to share with you actually how can you set up Facebook as traffic campaign live. So let's see. So first go there and already I'm creating some content and headline. Okay, so let's see. Go to the ad manager. This one my ad manager, and I need to the also pay traffic campaign. Already you can see we are receiving the parcel, so we need to the divided reviews. Okay, so we will try. If you see the today result, hopefully you can see that also. Okay, so second one is you can see our create option, campaign create option, just click in the create. Then hopefully you can see many options. Okay, so we need to the right now to the traffic. Okay, so I'm just select the traffic and continue. Then I will select in the manual traffic campaign. Okay, and then click in the continue. Then you can see the traffic campaign. So I'm just using the TF. I'm using the two day date. Okay, and everything is okay. So I will try to select this. He suggested me 20 pounds, so I'm just trying to select 25 pounds. No issue. So then I'll try to create in this there. So you can see the hash volume. I'll try to select hash volume. And then I select in the next. Then hopefully you can see the new asset is created. So this asset I'm using the save audience. Okay, so I'm just selecting the. And actually our main goal is asset, right? So I'm just select this one. Then you can see actually which is your performance goal. Actually, my main goal is not click. I want to share actual landing page view. Like when people come here must be when people landing page view, then it will be show the conversion. Okay, so I'm just selecting the maximize number of landing views. Then you can see the menu of dynamic creative. If we want, then we can using that. Right now, no need. I think so. I'm not using that. Then you can see the something so already excluded. That's great because I don't want to also share with United Kingdom Northern Ireland. So it is already. So then you can select in the actually original audience and audience suggestion. So right now we will apply the three steps. Actually, one step is advantage, second one is original, third one is save audience. Okay, so I'm just skip this and actually we need to the collect audience. Actually, I need this placement for all platform because I need to the traffic actually target traffic like who people need this type of service and interest our service then he come to the our website. Okay, so this is the my main goal right now. Okay, so, okay, so you can see the police vein. That's good. I'm just at first using this. Then you can see we are go to the you go to the second step. Okay, so this step two, I'll try to the share. Actually, I have a many images, but right now I'm only using the one image, like image one, and then you need to facilitate the your started page. Okay, so my page is get trip, right? So I'll obviously select that. Then you can see the use tracker account there. Also need to the preview on your preview, then you can see easily. Okay. Then actually I will try to the select in the manual upload. So I will select in the single image or video. If you have a video, then you can select in the video. And if you have an image, then you can select in the image. Okay. So we need to the apply at first actually website you know. So I'll try to the direct homepage because we need to the learn right now. Okay, so I'm just select that. Then we need to the display. Also you can use this no issue, and then you can see the known. Okay, active which attribute right now we will use. Oh, obviously right now we will use in the uh, image. So actually it's a which source which catalog is shown. Just you can select in the next. Then hopefully you can see the this section. So this section actually I suggest at first we will use this and select this one. Okay, so which is our actually headline. Okay, so this is my headline. Okay, then actually our if for I'll try to select this one, it will be better. It's already show actually our product name. Okay, select in the like if you want to the this one and want to utmost I see this. I'm maintaining. And obviously that no need to original is good. Then this is then if you want to the 3D animation, I don't know it to the catalog. Okay, our life is everything will be up, it will be better. It depends on you. If you want to the observation, then you can select that. Then you can see and select that. And then we just need to the another one. Is it will be show only the testimonial. Okay. So it's for I'm just using delete that. Then we need to the again apply. We apply like our that copy will be changed. Select this, copy this. Then obviously it will be also used in run both. Which is better actually? I want to show you the this one. Okay, review, customer review. Okay, then we need to the use this review videos for use this. It will be better for checking actually. If you want to the observation, then obviously you will use it. Then you can actually analyze your as copy. So this is the advantage. The nextly I will create in the another one. Like it will be just change is audience. Use audience. Then I will use 25. Okay. Then I will save audience. Okay. So already create this. You need to do some things like no need to the 18, you need to the 25 update it. Also need to the change something like I don't actually want to right now use this is in all placement. I'm just selecting the manual placement and no need to the audience with messenger. I only this. No need to the marketplace, no need to video feed, no need to the column, no need to the explore. Okay. And you can see views. Okay, no need to the video as some reels, no need this. So algorithm also no need. Yeah, so you can see the point this. Okay. Let it be safe. Right now it will be okay, I think. So okay, just publish right now. So just again check. So I'm just selecting the published, then you can see our ad right now will be published. So we can get back and you can see the ads right now is no ads. So right now is running. So we need to sometimes, okay, then hopefully it will be automatically fix that. Okay. So that's it. If you need this type of service, if you have any question, if you need any help for Facebook ads, you can feel free to reach out me and feel free to message me. I'll try to help you as soon as possible. This is my WhatsApp number. If you just click, you can any social media to contact with me. Okay. So thank you so much for watching my video. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye.